Hi, my name's Fred. I'm the showroom manager here at ProSource in Naperville. I've been with ProSource for 4 years. I've run 2 showrooms previously, and I now also run our Mokina showroom. I've been with ProSource so long because it's easy to work here. Every project is different. We have thousands and thousands of options that makes every project just, even if it's the same house in the same subdivision, every project can be, the end result can be very different from one another. One difference is accessibility. What I mean by that is because we are part of a large buying group, we can source product from anywhere, any company that's out there. If you find something online, on a website, at almost any other retailer, you can show us a picture, give us the name of the color, and chances are we're going to be able to find that product for you, even if we don't display it. To me, ProSource means it's fun. It's like a family situation here. I've worked with Patrick and Yvonne as long as I've been in this chair. Same with Christine, and we all get along. We can laugh, we can joke, we can do fun stuff together. It also makes it easier for me to keep a balanced home life because, again, I'm out the doors at 5 or 6 o'clock. I don't need to work hours and hours and hours to make sure that the project and the clients are happy. We know we can get that done anyway. I'm Fred, I'm the showroom manager at ProSource in Naperville, and you should stop by and see me. Make sure your project gets completed, done, and right.